Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the error in attachment in Gmail. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser in your device and go to www.gmail.com. Log in with your account details. Once you have logged in, if you are facing issue with attachments in Gmail, you simply need to head toward the setting. So for that, at the top right corner, click on the three dots and go all the way down to search for setting. Once the setting of your web browser has been opened, at the left hand side you can see menu. From the menu, go to privacy and security. Click on deleting browsing data. Here, in the time range, choose all the time and select all the options below. After that, at the bottom, click on delete data and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with attachment error in Gmail. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.